ReliveX is a wearable massager promoted across pain relief channels as a device addressing back pain and muscle tension through NMES technology, neuromuscular electrical stimulation. It's positioned as a wireless, hands-free solution usable during everyday activities. The device has a clean, medical-adjacent aesthetic. The product page shows it applied to the lower back, neck, or legs, with users continuing their routine while it works. The underlying technology, electrical muscle stimulation through adhesive pads, is a genuine therapeutic category used in physiotherapy. Independent reviewers tend to note that ReliveX appears to function as a standard consumer-grade EMS device. Similar products are widely available at considerably lower prices. The marketing language emphasizes outcomes like long-term pain resolution that typically go beyond what consumer-grade stimulation devices can reliably deliver. User feedback is mixed. Some report meaningful relief from muscle stiffness after consistent use. Others note pad malfunctions and customer service difficulties. For those managing chronic conditions, consulting a medical professional before relying on any device of this type is strongly advisable. Overall, it seems best understood as a general relaxation and comfort device, rather than a medical treatment.